Question 11. Sammy bought his car for $16,580. His car is expected to depreciate an average of 14% each year during the first 5 years. What is the predicted value of his car in 5 years? So, we're trying to predict a value that's going to happen later on in the future. Now, this value, the car value, is depreciating in value. So we have a future value problem for something that depreciates. If you remember, or if you did problem 10, in problem 10, increasing in value means that we use the future value formula with a plus sign. But because we have a depreciation problem, we use the future value formula with a minus sign. So P equals V parentheses 1 minus R close parentheses raised to the Y is our future value formula. P is the predicted future value of a car. V is the original value of the car. R is the rate of depreciation in decimal form. And Y is the number of years in the future. So, first thing we need to do is identify what values we have to plug into the formula. Sammy bought the car for $16,580. Well, so that's the starting value of the car, which means V is $16,580. This is the original value. The rate of depreciation, the R value, is 14% each year, which as a decimal is 0.14. Just to show you all on the calculator, remember, changing percents to decimals, it's the percent divided by 100. Or move the decimal point to the left twice, and you'll get 0.14 either way. Number of years we're carrying this out into the future is 5 years, therefore Y is equal to 5. The P value is what it's asking for in the question. What is the predicted value? So we don't know what this is. If you're in ClassKick, you would put NA, but really all you need to know is P is the missing value. So when we plug in everything into the equation, P is the only one that stays a letter. Everything else gets filled in, so we have 16,580, parentheses, 1 minus 0.14, close parentheses, raised to the 5. So notice in the equation, on the equal sign, everything on the right side is a number. So we could just plug all that in the way we see it into the calculator and get the predicted future value. P is by itself. We don't have to do any math other than just plugging this into the calculator. So P equals whatever the right side is, which is 16,580, parentheses 1 minus 0.14, close parentheses, raised, using the caret symbol or whatever your exponent thing is on your calculator, raised to the 5th power. And we're going to round this to the nearest dollar. So this will be 7,799.67, which should round up to 7,800. 7,800 if we round everything up. In case you forgot your rounding, in case you forgot how to round, the 9 goes up to a 10. So that 9 turns into a 0. You carry the 1. 9 goes up to a 10. Leave the 0. Carry the 1. And then we finally get 7,800 as our final answer. That's it.